This morning on the Texas border, both sides digging in over a controversial state law now on hold that would give unprecedented powers to local and state authorities.
Texas has a right to defend ourselves, and we will use that authority to declare an invasion and fight back against that invasion.
The measure known as SB 4 is under review by the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals following a legal whiplash after the Supreme Court allowed it to go into effect for mere hours before being paused yet again. The three-judge panel hearing arguments Wednesday, appearing skeptical of the law.
So what if someone enters in, let's say, from Mexico into Arizona and lives there for 5 years, then moves to Texas? Are they covered?
The state solicitor general pausing before saying,
I don't know the answer.
Signed last December by Governor Greg Abbott, SB 4 would allow state authorities to arrest migrants suspected of crossing illegally and even empower state judges to order deportations back to Mexico. Texas leaders calling the law a direct result of the federal government failing to stop prior record numbers of migrants from crossing the southern border. Sheriff Raimundo Del Bosque from Zapata County supports the new law.
What we're targeting is the violence, the cartel, people that violent offenders that want to come across, not just from Mexico, but from different countries.
But in Maverick County, Sheriff Tom Schmerber says he needs more information about how his department would enforce it.
Are you equipped at this moment to put this law into practice?
No, I think we need more time.
Schmerber adding the legal back and forths do little to help border communities like his.
Do you feel like a pawn in a big political game?
That's the way I feel. I'm pretty sure the other sheriffs from the border are thinking the same way.
And this morning we are hearing again from the country of Mexico, their president calling SB 4 draconian and dehumanizing, emphasizing over the last 24 hours they will not accept any migrants deported by the state of Texas. And as for this legal path forward, we know this same panel of three judges will hear arguments yet again on April 3rd over the constitutionality of SB 4. And legal experts say, considering their response yesterday, SB 4's legal future is uncertain at best. Craig?
Morgan Chesky for us once again there along the border. Morgan, thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.